Hey Eric, what are you
Hello.
doing?
Oh, well, today we are messing basically with a roof here. Basically, we're going to talk about a public service announcement. And I'll steal the phone from my camera lady just to
All
kind of
right.
show you. Basically, you just want to make sure that you are inspecting your roof. This is basically your lifeline of a camper. If it starts getting destroyed, well, as you see here, we're digging into a pretty nasty mess in this back corner. And to give you a nice little cliff note on this camper's a 2020, so this unit is only 4 years old.
And I'm going to
It,
show you this side for Eric.
as
You
you
can
see,
see
we're
that
also
it
going to
goes.
take off our top panel. Basically, what this video is to try to entail for you guys that it is always important that you inspect your roof. It is usually recommended you should do this every 90 to 120 days. Best way to look at it, in the spring we're getting ready to take it out, somewhere in the middle of summer, and then in the fall when you're getting ready to put it away for the winter time. But it is very imperative, as you've seen, I just shown you the damage here. And like I said, this camper is only 4 years old. Thank you and have a good day, and this was your public service announcement.
Thank you, Eric.